Tikulandireni omvera athu nonse kulikonse kumwe muli kuchokera mzigawo zonse zinayi za mdziko lino. Dziwani kuti ifa Dreams Media timakunyadirani kwambiri chifukwa munapanga chisankho chotsatira ife kuti tizikupatsirani zonse zomwe zikuchitika mdziko muno.
Commitment of this government to make sure that there should be a very good relationship between the government and human rights defenders. We need to have a symbiotic relationship. An injury to one is an injury to all. There's no way 3 months ago I was fighting for human rights, good life for people. Today I become an oppressor because I'm called second vice president. No. These are titles, they come and go. But we have Malawi. I think us, we have started very well because our president is committed to make sure that we should not go back to one-party state, to dictatorship, to oppression, like what happened to my brother Namiwa. Some of us in government will make sure that Malawi should remain democratic. All of us, we should fight poverty, not issues of human rights. Because these are automatic. You don't even have to fight for them. They are your natural rights. You deserve. You don't have to sit, fight, and request. No. Government has to work for its citizens. The first responsibility of government is to protect its citizens. To make sure its citizens are living in a free society where they can contribute to meaningful development. I'll take this opportunity without any contradiction that Malawi is in tatters. We are in serious problems. We have a country that has not been producing to export for a very long time, 3-4 years. Doing nothing, depending on rains, tobacco, waiting for people to come from I don't know where to give us prices.
Struggle for human rights for the future generations to read. Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now reached the end of the first part of the program. We shall now move into the dinner and networking. However, before we go there, I would just like to give a word of thanks to some of our partners tonight. The UN Malawi, through the Office of the Resident Coordinator, the Irish Embassy, the NGO CCR, together with HIVOS, the Center for Civil Society Strengthening, and also just to note that the Human Rights Defender of the Year, Mrs. Margaret Katewera, will receive 1.5 million kwacha apart from the award itself. Mr. Namiwa will receive 1 million and a medal. These particular awards have been supported by the NGO CCR with the support of HIVOS. I now call upon Mr. Edward Gama to lead us into the logistics of the dinner and networking. Thank you.
The Right Honorable Second Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, ladies and gentlemen,
tikuyamikeni komanso kuthokozani popanga chisankho chokhala pamenepa kumvetsera komanso kuonera zomwe takubweretserani. Chomwe tingakupempheni choti ngati muli alendo pamudzi pano tapangani subscribe, chifukwa mukatero inu ndife tidzayendera limodzi kuyambira lero mpaka na masiku omwe akubwera kusogoloko. Timabweratu ndi nkhani zochokera ngodya zonse zinayi za mdziko lino, kotero kuti inu simukuyenera kuti mukhale kunja kwa nkhani zimenezi. Tapangani subscribe, like, comment komanso share kuti tikhale limodzi mu ulendo umenewu.